Let's make some slime.
All right, everyone, we have the Crazy Slimy Creations Neon Edition, and we're here with your host, Lando, and special guest, Thor. So step one, pour some glue, about 10 milliliters into a container, and then we're gonna dump it out into a bowl. So now we got the glue, now let's dump it into the green bowl, the empty green bowl we have right here. You should get it all out. You wanna get as much of it as you can. Okay, now the glue's in. Now we gotta get the water in this bowl and mix it with the glue.
Good job.
There we go, good work. What's the next step?
Okay, now we're gonna measure 1/4 of a teaspoon. Which color do you wanna do?
Green first.
Okay, so now we got the green open. We gotta fill up this little measuring tool up with the green.
Okay,
And then we're just gonna pour it
let me have this.
into one of these bowls. I'm just not sure.
Into this one.
All right. Green.
Okay, now stir it all together.
Mix it all up. Get the mixing spoon.
It's not doing anything. It's doing nothing.
You gotta wait, it's not ready yet. This is just the coloring phase.
Look, now it's turning something.
Does it look like slime yet?
No, it looks like.
Oh, look at it, it's coming out nice. All green. Let's give it a smell, let's see what it smells like.
It smells like slime.
Like slime?
Now we need to mix slime powder into hot water.
Pour it in. All right, now we gotta wait for it to dissolve. And then we should be almost done. Now we're gonna pour the solution into the glue mixture. So let's go. Pour it in, Lando. All right, nice.
Whoa!
Is it turning into slime?
Yep, it's
Okay,
gonna get
mix it
thicker
up,
and
Lando.
thicker. Go ahead.
Let me check.
Keep
Oh, there it
stirring.
is. Whoa. All right, slime's all done. Now let's feel what this stuff feels like.
Ew!
Oh my gosh.
Ew, that is so gross.
Squish it. Is it squishy? Ooh. Stretch it out. Oh man. All right, look how green that is. It's like Slimer from Ghostbusters. Can't even see your face. All the slime is blocking it. Let's go like this. There you are. Now we got the green slime done. You want to make some orange?
Yeah.
Let's make some orange. All right, so we have the orange one done, and it looks a lot better than the green one. Watch, Lando, pick it up. Show them. When you pick this one up, this one does not stick to your hands. A lot better. Now pick up the green one. This one sticks to the hand. What happens if you mix them together? Let's see. Let's mix the orange with the green. Whoa. Mix it up. Let's see what happens. You think it's gonna change colors?
No.
No? Looks like a gummy worm, huh? Like a giant gummy worm ball. So here's the mixed up slime, and we're gonna see what it looks like on Lando's face. What do you think, Thor? Oh, man. What's it feel like? Oh, man. Did his hair. Let's see, let me see your hair. Let's make sure it all comes out.
That's a bad idea.
That's a bad idea.
See if these mushrooms sticks on the wheels or no, it didn't stick on the wheels. Whoa.
Oh, look at the design. Look at that design. He's making little monster truck tracks, huh? Look at this one, man. Making a monster truck motorcycle pizza dough.
It's a me, Mario. It's a me, Chef Mario. Whoa, that's awesome. Let's see if this stuff sticks.
Oh, it broke it in 2 pieces. And it didn't stick.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.